Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to use Word of the Day. A fun Windows word game that boosts your vocabulary and gives you daily word challenges. Let's dive in. To play, guess the letter in each box. Each box can hold only one character, and there are a total of 5 letters. After typing your letters, click the blue Submit Guess button. If a letter is correct but in the wrong position, the box will turn yellow. If the letter is incorrect, it will turn gray. And if the letter is in the correct position, the box will turn green. You can also get a tip by clicking the Show Hint button. Do you know the word? I think it is trust. When you find the correct word, confetti will fall from the application window to celebrate. Windows 11 widget. You can also add Word of the Day to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Word of the Day from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. Now you can guess and type the letter in each box. By clicking the three-dot menu in the top corner of a widget, you can change its size to medium or large. You can also select Customize Widget to change the word language to your preferred language, such as Dutch, French, or Spanish. And that's it. You now know how to use the Word of the Day Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.